Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Sword. In this video, we will see how to customize your Google Chrome in a PC. So, before getting into the video, if you are here for the first time, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button to all so that you won't be missing any of our new videos. Then before getting into the video, if you are viewing this video in a tab or a PC and if you are having a good connection, near that video there will be a small settings like option. Click there and there will be quality. Click there and there will be 2160 pixels 4K written in red color. Click in that for best experience of viewing the video. So let's get into the video. So here we are on the desktop. So your Google Chrome will be like this, or some image will be there on the background, and here will be some shortcuts. So let's see how to customize your Google Chrome. So here there's a small pen option and there's an option customize. Click on that and there will be so many options. You can choose any of this or you can upload from your device the background. So I'm selecting from this. Let's choose any of this. If you want to refresh it daily, you can click here. Otherwise you can remove this. If you want to edit the shortcuts, if you want, you could hide the shortcuts. Otherwise you can create your own shortcuts, or otherwise the most visited sites will be there. So you can also change the color and theme. There are so many options. You can make it this color, this. You can choose any of the colors. Okay, this will be okay. So we have customized. So let's add some shortcuts now. So let's see YouTube. So take it. Okay. Then here is its URL. Click on there and it will be selected and copy it. If you want, you can go back. Otherwise, take a new tab and close it. Then add shortcut and you can. I'm naming it YouTube. And paste the URL here. Click on done. Now let's see WhatsApp. WhatsApp web. So here is WhatsApp web. So it's already connected. So let's copy this. And let's run here and paste it. WhatsApp. And paste the video, paste the URL here. Done. If you want more sites, you can add it like this, and you can also arrange it in this order like this and all. So like that you can customize your Google Chrome. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you are here for the first time, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button to all so that you won't be missing any of our new videos. Okay, bye.